Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create a video from the slideshow or PowerPoint presentation on a Windows PC. For the teachers especially, this will be useful as many of us have slideshow, but now with the lockdown and distance education through the internet, it will be useful to convert your slides into videos. No need to create a fresh video presentation. Your existing slides can be converted, and you can also create a new slides and then convert it into videos for sharing. So let us quickly get into this. I'm going to switch on the PowerPoint presentation. So just we can look for PowerPoint on a Windows PC. So let us launch the PowerPoint application. As we launch the PowerPoint application, the menu bar will indicate whether we want to open an existing slideshow or whether we want to create new one. So for the purpose of this video demo, I'll be creating a new file. So I click on new and a blank presentation. So within the blank presentation, I can see a slide here having certain layout, so that doesn't really matter. I'll just start typing this as a video recording demo from slideshow, right? And this is TechBuzz Guru channel, right? Then we can add some more slide. Just to create a video, at least we should have some slides so that we can go through them and convert them to video. So I'll type here hello world. This is a video demo, right? Okay, then we may add further one more slide as the last slide. Maybe I'll add another slide by pressing Ctrl M. That's a shortcut for adding new slide. And finally I'll just write thanks or thank you, right? And maybe make some minor changes here. Bring it here down at the bottom, then align center, right, like this. Okay, so here the slideshow is ready with us. Okay, fine. The first thing that we must do now is save this file. So while saving, so I'll choose desktop and give some file name. I'll call this as video demo. It will save in a default .pptx format. It's a PowerPoint standard format, and I'll click save. So PowerPoint presentation is saved on the desktop. Let us check here. So it is visible here on the desktop that a PowerPoint presentation slide is shared. Now we'll come back to the presentation. We can always see the presentation in a conventional manner. Down at the bottom you can see here there is a presentation slideshow option. We can click on it, and manually we can go through the slideshow as usual. So that we have been following, all of us. But we would like to convert this slideshow into a video so that it can be shared very easily and with our narration for better understanding of the students. So what to do for that? Let us take a look at the menu bar items. Here we are presently in the home menu, where we are editing the slide, adding different elements. Then next is the insert, design, and so on. Look at the slideshow option in the menu bar, right? So on the slideshow, if we click, there are several different options available under the slideshow, right? Within the slideshow, now ensure that you select record slide option. So it shows record slide. If we click so record slideshow, it gives option record from current slide or record from the beginning. Since we want to convert the complete slideshow into a video, so we'll choose record from the beginning. Let us click on record from the beginning, and it takes us to a recording window. On the top left corner there is a record button. If we click this button, recording will start. We have not yet clicked it, but there, let us look at the other options. It has a stop, replay, right? And at the bottom, some very important, especially the right hand bottom side, you can see we can turn off the microphone. So presently, since we are making video, no need to turn off. The other option is whether we would like to use webcam, incorporating our own video visible on the slideshow screen. So we can turn it on as per the requirement. It will be visible like this. You may record your video while you are talking, so you will also be visible in it. And if you are not interested, then we can keep this off for the purpose of this video. I'm keeping it off. The other options at the bottom are laser pointer, then eraser, then pen, highlighter, and these can be used while the slideshow recording is in progress as per the requirement to help in better demonstration. Let us quickly go on to record the video, right? So I'll click on the record button and I'll narrate something here. It shows a countdown. Now the recording has started, so I'll just read out that this is a video recording demo from slideshow by TechBuzz Guru channel. Let us move to the next slide. This is a hello world slide, and I can maybe just use a pen marker to indicate what I am talking about, or maybe I can mark an arrow here like this to show that this is something important. I can use even a highlighter to go through this particular so this is a video highlighter is used. I can even like use eraser to remove some part which I think that may not be necessary. Okay, like this. And again I move to the next slide just to close this particular short 3 slide presentation to be converted to video. So now that we have reached the last slide, I can just say thank you and just click stop. Okay, as I click stop, the video has been recorded by the software. And now what we have to do is look for the 2 cross marks here. One larger cross mark just above the presentation, it shows clear existing recording. By mistake, never press on this particular clear existing recording option. Otherwise what will happen is that your all video recording will get lost. You have to close the window, so for that you have to refer to the top right corner close button. Okay, remember, never click clear existing recording button after the video slideshow has been recorded and stopped. So switch on this particular click on the close button at top right corner of the window, right? I'll close it. Now the video file is ready with the PowerPoint software. All we have to do is export it as a video file. So let us look at the top menu again. The earlier one, when we were editing, it was home. Just besides home, click on the file tab. When we click on the file tab, again it will give option to open new file or like that, save as, print, share and export. So pay attention, we have to select export, right? So we select export option, and then it gives various formats in which the present PowerPoint presentation can be exported as, right? Like PDF, video, GIF, animated, package and others. But we are basically interested in creating video, so we select create video. Within create videos there are options. The first option is to select the video resolution. This video resolution can be either Ultra HD, 4K. It may be available in your Windows version, may not be, but then Full HD, then 720p and so on. So by default full HD 1080p is a good resolution. Second option is to whether you want to record timings and the narrations also. So yes, for video we require narration, so by default we keep it as it is. And then at the bottom it will ask finally whether we want to create video, so we click create video. Immediately it will ask for the file name and the location to be saved. So I'll select again here desktop, and on desktop I'll put the file name again as a video demo. So it is by default showing some file name, but you can always delete this one and give some name of your choice. So video demo is a file name I can go ahead with, and the file type is MPEG-4. Let us now click save, and as soon as I click save, you can see here down at the bottom there is a progress bar. It shows creating video having name as a video demo.mp4. so it will take some 5-10 minutes time, and by that time we can just skip through this video ahead. Okay, so at the bottom you can see that the video conversion process is complete. Now let us minimize this particular window, and on the desktop you can observe that two files are clearly visible. One is the originally what we have said PowerPoint presentation file, and the second one is a video file that has been created just now, right? So now what we'll do is just check our video demo here by clicking on this particular video file, and while this video plays I'll now stop my conversation so that you can recollect the discussion that has been recorded in this particular video. Okay, so kindly pay attention. It shows the countdown. Now the recording has started, so I'll just read out that this is a video recording demo from slideshow by TechBuzz Guru channel. Let us move to the next slide. This is a hello world slide, and I can maybe just use a pen marker to indicate what I am talking about, or maybe I can mark an arrow here like this to show that. So this way we have seen that the video has been recorded, and it is here available on the desktop. We can just go through the properties of this particular file. Observe that this is a MPEG-4 file having name video demo and having the size of 3.4 MB. Please remember that the amount of time required for conversion of your PowerPoint presentation into video will depend upon the number of slides and the amount of time you have been talking during your presentation. Maybe if your presentation is 15-20 minutes, then the conversion time will also be like nearly around 10 to 15 minutes. So by that you have to wait for that. If you close the file in between, then it may not get converted properly, right? This my video was short, that's why the file size is also short. So this way we are able to create a video in a very simple and effective manner by using Windows PowerPoint presentation. All you need to ensure is that your PC has to have a microphone inbuilt, or you may add additional external microphone, and it has to have a webcam if you want to put your own video into the slides. Thanks very much, and please like and subscribe the channel, and more such videos will be coming in future. Thank you very much.